planet is the greatest living puzzle in the universe. A collection of worlds within worlds. Each one a network of relationships and connections between all their living parts, leading to the diverse and complex world we live in. And at the heart of many of these worlds is a very special group of animals. The insects, and their close relatives, the arachnids and crustaceans, classed together as the arthropods. Together they account for 80% of all animal species on our planet. In these 3 specials, we're going to explore the connections and relationships that they have with us, our planet, and with each other. Ultimately, to understand how this group hold the key to life itself inside nature's microworlds. At least one species of arthropod can be found in every microworld on Earth. From baking deserts and lush rainforests to open oceans and dark caves. And although seemingly insignificant in size, the influence they have on our planet is immense. But to understand how arthropods have come to play such a vital role, we must explore a wide variety of ecosystems. And we'll investigate the arthropods' greatest influence of all. Could they be responsible for the richness and diversity of nature's many microworlds? There's one microworld where the impact of a single species of arthropod is evident. The Argentinian Pampas grassland. A landscape that's been created almost solely by one tiny creature. Grasscutter ants. These insects are only 1.5 centimeters long, and yet they